Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a perfect white sauce pasta. So for it, we will be needing half teaspoon of butter. Once it's melted, we'll add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Saute it till it's golden. Then we'll add half tablespoon refined flour and cook it on a slow flame until a nutty aroma comes. Then we'll add chilled milk and mix it really well. Add milk in 2 parts so that no lumps are formed in it. I'm using approximately a cup of milk. Once it starts to thicken and gets a good boil, add 50 grams of vegetables of your choice, salt, chili flakes, and herbs as per your taste. Mix everything very well, then add boiled pasta and mix it really well. Once your sauce is almost mixed, then it's the time to add some grated Parmesan cheese. If you don't have Parmesan, you can add any other cheese as well, as per your choice. Mix it well and serve. Here you can enjoy a lovely white sauce pasta.